how will you crack interview means PI session, personal interview session. My friends, interview is such an important part in everyone's life who are looking for job. Exactly, if you're a student of any school and college, you might have to face the interview, or already if you have passed the interview academic career, so already you are ready to face the interview. So in today's video, we are going to analyze the entire scene of the job interview session that is called the PI session. So friends, today's video is very much interesting, just related with your life, and just so like this video, subscribe the channel for more interesting topic like this. First of all, interview has two parts, 1 and 2. Part number 1 is your domain, means that from which background you are. Suppose you are management background, suppose you are from the engineering background, then which particular trade engineering you belong to. Are you from mechanical? Are you from electrical? Are you from computer and electronics? You're from computer science? Which particular subject do you have? You might be asked, or you might have to write the answer related to your domain. That is called the particular domain related interview, and it can be in two forms. Either you have to write the answer in aptly, or you have to just answer of the question. And that is not my job to rectify, because you know much better than me how to answer of the domain. If you are asked the C, C++, Java, the softwares, the language, so believe me, you know much better than me. I'm not as strong as you, but I can help you out in the second option. That is also very much crucial. That is, you have to improve your PI session that is related to the manager or with the HR department. So friends, here HR means a human resource officer or manager of a company just wants to know what kind of person you are, and how is your confidence, and how is your professionalism. They do also check with some short up questions that can be through group discussion, that might be with some PI session questions too. So today's topic is all about the second part of the interview. So friends, here you have to understand, it is the conversation between two persons. One is interviewer and one is interviewee, means you. And my name is Bishal. I have worked in different multinational company, and I have been working in Gurukul as an English communication trainer. So that's why I can give you a very wide range of idea between the conversation of interviewer and interviewee. So interviewer is a representative of the company who has the responsibility to pick up the right person for the company for the right job. And you are the interviewee. You have appeared in the interview, and you are just trying to demonstrate your skill, your academic, to be paid by getting the job. So this is a simple equation. So you sometimes maximum interview think that it is all up to the interviewer, that if they bless me, then I'll get the job, and it is all up to them. No, my friend, it's simply wrong. Believe me, interviewer work much more under pressure than you, because you are thinking about only yourself, you are thinking about your performance. But believe me, our interviewer has to think all the 100 candidates who have come just with you. So this is the main problem of the interviewer and interviewee. So this is all about the perception. So what do our interviewer check? Friends, interviewer check basically three major things in you. Number 1, of course, how much you are professional. Number 2, how much you are smart person to work in this smart environment. And number 3, your flexibility. See, your knowledge part already checked in your first part of interview, and you have been selected in your first part of interview, showing your knowledge, demonstrating your knowledge about your domain subject. That's why you have been promoted in the second part of the interview. So now we have to understand, how do they check your professionalism? They do check your professionalism by asking various questions like how do you treat with your failure? How do you face the challenges in the interview, in the job sector? Tell me your professional skill. They ask you some questions, and how would you answer them? How professionally you are replying them? That just like makes the sense. Understood. Number two, of course, they do check your smartness. See, I've seen a lot of people, a lot of students, they are very much knowledgeable, but they're not smart. If you are knowledgeable, if you're not smart, then you may not be fit for the job. So company like Microsoft, company like Google, they also look for the smart people they can explore in the different various situation. And thirdly, also they do check, as I told you previously, that is how much is your how much you are flexible. See, flexibility is one of the key factor at modern situation in modern corporates to get the job. If you're not flexible, you can't say that just give me the job. You have to be flexible to work individually. You have to be flexible to work in teamwork, because in your team there might be 20 members, and 20 members, they have 20 different ideas, different attitude. So you have to be flexible with everyone. They are not your mom, they are not your dad, they are not your relative that you would just bargain with them. You would say that what you wish. You have to be flexible. The cooperation, they do also check through different short-up questions. So how would be the question? What would be the questions? Question could be different type. Tell me your self-introduction. But maximum interviewee get confused that tell me about yourself. Matlab self-introduction, it's only about telling about who are you, what's your name, from where are you, tell me describe your qualification, your family background, that's it. No, self-introduction is such a great opportunity to answer and explain what kind of person you were internally. Who are you? Suppose you are Rahul Verma, your name is written in biodata. What is your qualification? Your master's, it is also written in your CV. Where do you live? You're from Gurgaon, it is also written in your CV. And how much is your experience? You have 2 years of experience, or you're completely fresher. So friends, this is simply written in your biodata, and there's nothing to say more. But what you can add extra in your self-introduction, that is very much important. So what you can do, go to my channel, you can find self-introduction, exactly answer is given, already have taught, just check it out how to give answer. You will get the exactly modern answer, how to establish yourself, how to establish your personality through the answer. So this is the way you have to answer. See, answering means there is no hard and fast rule that you have to say this, then this is right. If you say this, it is wrong. There is no hard and fast rule that it is right, it is wrong. According to me, not according to me, it is accepted by all HR. All answers are correct if you establish it on the correct way. Again, every answer is correct if you establish it on the correct context, on the correct way. So my main thing to explain that is, if you are saying anything, first of all, ask yourself, what are you saying? Do you believe that? If you believe that, then you can make others believe. If you don't believe your answer, you can't even make others believe, convince that what you are saying. So first you have to believe yourself that what you are saying, what you are telling, then the convey. So for that reason, what you have to do, you have to do lots of practice at your home. Do practice, take preparation. Suppose if you have the interview after 6 months, you have to start preparation from today. If you start to take preparation from today, you can get the output after 6 months. There is no overnight surprise. It is not the movie, man. It is not the film that just tonight you have slept, you thought law of attraction, tomorrow morning you woke up, you become super stylish, you have become super, just like knowledgeable about the PI station. It's just next to impossible. You have to keep practicing a lot every day. Just write down the answers, repeatedly speak in front of the mirror. Just judge that what you're saying, is it going with my personality? What you're saying, it is perfect with your things? Because one wrong answer might allow the interviewer to cross you a lot of embarrassing more questions. That could be a catchy moment for you. That could be a tricky moment for you. So what you have to do, before saying think twice, thrice. If you have asked anything anything in reply of my answer, then I'm able to answer that. Suppose if I'm asked that is, tell me about your strength and weakness. Suppose if I say my strength is my communication skill, I can communicate in a very confident way. They might give a topic saying, okay, convince us that you can convince me in this way because you said that your communication skill is very good. If you that time if you do no sir, I'm not confident, if you do that, they will catch that you have just read it in Google, you mugged up the entire answer, you are delivering just. It is not the way to answer. That you have to first believe, then deliver. If you can believe, then you can deliver it very easily. This is a simple equation of the interview room. And just a simple psychology. You have to establish in front of them that, yes, I have everything. I have all the sort of skills, lot of qualities. Then you have to take me, because they are looking for the right person for the right job. So you have to be psychologically strong enough to prove that. Again and again telling you, practice makes them imperfect. PI session, what you have to do, I'm going to make a very important video that is all the sort of questions of PI session. I'll give 10 to 15 questions that most probably questions these are asked generally in all interviews. And what you have to do, just you have to mug it up. You have to just write the answer, prepare the answer, 4-5 months practice at your home. You will get the entire just like arena to understand, okay, this is the entire set of questions that might be asked, so I am ready to answer them. This is the one and only practice session can make you the perfect. So ladies and gentlemen, this is all about today's video about the PI session, how you can take the preparation, what is the exactly they want and what you have to deliver. If you can match the requirement and delivery together, then job is yours. Offer letter, joining letter will be given. This is a simple, just like equation in this modern corporate world. They are looking for the best person. You have to prove you are the best person. Then you both can work together. Otherwise, you can't blame anyone for your lack of practice, for your lack of, just like preparation. So guys, hope so you have understood all the aspects of the PI session. If you like this video, like it, subscribe the channel. In which topic you want more videos, you can comment me up. I will surely answer on that topic related jobs, English and all these stuffs. So dosto, see you in the next exciting episode.